Your vehicle comes with a standard audio system with a wide array of functionality for continuous entertainment on every drive. The system consists of a 4.2-inch LCD screen with sync, which enables enhanced voice recognition and commands for paired phones and media players. It also includes 6 speakers, Bluetooth voice pass-through for smartphones, and supports USB inputs. To turn it on and off, press this button, which also adjusts the volume. You'll notice all the audio controls and source buttons are stacked along the left side of the screen. You can use the tune knob to manually scan through channels or use the number buttons here to direct tune to any station. Use the same number buttons to set preset channels. To switch between different audio sources, you press this button. Pressing it multiple times allows you to switch between AM and FM radio. Pressing the button that looks like a music note brings you to this screen. Here, you can use the arrow buttons to scroll through media sources. Once you've decided, just press the OK button to select a source. This button allows you to make phone calls or place a call to a 911 operator in the event of an accident when the 911 Assist feature is enabled. To connect with popular apps on your phone, press here to select the Apps menu. Then follow the on-screen prompts to make your selection using the arrow buttons. When you decide which app you want to run, hit OK. Pressing this button lets you adjust your speakers, like bass and treble levels, or fade and balance. There's also an info button that allows you to view artist, song title, and other information. And to set the clock, press the clock icon and use the center arrow to change the hours and minutes. Finally, a settings menu gives you access to sync and Bluetooth settings and more.